Welcome to another Algebra 2 session, part 3. Today we're going to be dealing with factorizing expression in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. Well, the identities are still the same. However, to factorize this, the first thing we need to go and look for is this identity. This expression looks like this one here. Okay, so we know that in the bracket we'll have plus and plus in the bracket. In this case, previously we've looked at situations where we only have to consider this factor here. However, because the coefficient of x squared is different this time, it's not 1, we have 3 there instead of 1. Well, that simply means previously we've dealt with expressions that has x squared plus ax plus b. In this case, the coefficient is 1, but today we have a coefficient that is different, that is 3. Therefore, in this case, we have to also consider the factors of 3. So how do we do this? Okay, previously when we wanted to work it out, we had to consider the factors of 4. So here I would write the factors of 4 are 1 and 4, 2 and 2, 2 times 2. Here for 3 we have factors of 1 and 3. Okay, to make life easier, I will draw a line here. So we have the factors of 3 over here, so we have 3 and 1, and then the factors of 4, we have 4 and 1 at the bottom, and then 2 and 2. Okay, to solve this, we know that if we multiply, so I'll put a multiply sign here, if we multiply the expression across plus the expressions below, they should give us the coefficient of x like we previously did. So if I multiply the factors of 3 and 4 and add them together, they should give me the coefficient of x. So in this case, let's try 3 times 4 plus 1 times 1. Straight away we can see that it doesn't work out because 3 times 4 gives us 12, so it can't be that. Okay, so let's try 3 times 2 plus 1 times 2. So that and that, and that and that. So we have 3 times 2 plus 1 times 2. So that gives us 6 plus 2. We see straight away that gives us 8. So therefore, we know that what needs to go in this bracket is 3x plus 2 and then x plus 2, because we said if we multiply 3 times x plus 3x times 2 and then we add it to that, should give us the same expression. Well, just to double check, let's do this expression here, 3x times x plus 2, which is the whole of that, plus this 2 here times x plus 2. Okay, x times 3x gives me 3x squared plus 2 times 3x gives me 6x plus 2 times x gives me plus 2x plus 2 times 2 gives me 4. If we simplify those two together, it gives us 3x squared plus 8x plus 4, which is exactly the same as the left hand side over here. So it goes LHS. Therefore, our factorization is correct. Alright, so why don't you try some of these over here? So x, try to factorize. So factorize the following using the previous video, part 1, for this one, this one, this one, and this one. And then this video you can use for number 5. Thanks for watching the video. Hope it has been a lot of help. You can like us at www.facebook.com/cmaths.